SAC Consolidation, in short SAC4ONE, is a suite of independent yet interconnected modules built natively on SAP Analytics Cloud, ready to use and easily customizable. From statutory and managerial consolidation to IFRS16 and cash forecast, all integrated with your existing SAC planning processes. In this video, we walk you through SAC for IFRS 16, the dedicated module of the suite designed to manage lease accounting throughout the complete asset management lifecycle. From contract creation, payment rules, and asset plan elaboration, to automatic journal generation for subsequent consolidation and reporting activities. From the moment you log in, the guided workflow takes you step by step through the entire process. The reporting version and the legal entity are directly proposed and guide the opening of each story, so every user always works in the right context. The setup module is where central users begin to prepare the basis for the lease's management through 3 key steps: version creation, rates definition, and carry forward. Every cycle starts with version creation. You can add a new version or copy an existing one. Version management guides you through the setup of key parameters, creating the right context from the very beginning. From that moment on, every calculation automatically runs within the correct framework. Exchange rates can be configured at a default level or overridden per entity, both at average and end rate levels. When no changes are required, values can be replicated from the previous version with a single click. Otherwise, updates can be entered instantly. Incremental borrowing rates follow the same approach, driven by asset class or maturity details. Existing rates can be replicated from the previous version. If IBR have to change on existing contracts, the new rates are applied to these contracts thanks to the Update Contracts IBR function. Carry forward then closes the setup phase, initializing the current version with existing lease contracts together with their asset plans already elaborated from the previous version, providing every user with a consistent starting point for the new cycle. When nothing has changed, the existing asset plan already holds, and the process can move directly from carry forward to journal generation. If new contracts have to be created or contract details and payment rules require modifications, the leases step becomes the core of the tool where lease portfolio management takes place. The leases dashboard serves as the repository of contracts per legal entity, including analytics dimension details, giving an overview of key contract parameters and a real-time check of asset plan elaboration. The key strength of this story is that it also serves as the operational workspace for contract lifecycle management. From contract modifications and early terminations to contract eliminations, the Change Contract Status function allows users to execute key contract status updates. With Manage Contracts, users can create a new lease for the reference version and update the contractual details of existing leases whenever needed. Once updated, users can immediately proceed to payment rule entry and re-elaborate the asset plan directly from the dashboard without interrupting the workflow. In the dedicated story, users can define in detail all payment rule parameters, including frequency, timing, payment amounts, and every key detail required to calculate the contract asset plan. Any required change, such as a rent adjustment, flows naturally through the process. Exactly as in the dashboard, the asset plan can be elaborated or re-elaborated directly from this story. In any case, elaborate asset plan and recalculate asset plan tasks are available from the home page. Both tasks calculate the lease liability, the right-of-use asset, and the full amortization schedule, producing the View Asset Plan report for a detailed visibility, contract by contract. While elaboration applies to new contracts, recalculation acts to contracts marked as modified, where conditions have changed, ensuring that nothing already processed is ever handled twice. Values resulting from the calculation are validated in real time. Check report verifies that the entire lease population is correctly balanced, flagging any variance in red before you move on. If all calculations are balanced, journal generation automatically converts asset plans into IFRS16 accounting entries for the selected reporting date, and currency conversion translates them into group currency for consolidated reporting. Trial balance report, in fact, provides the effects of all generated journals in local currency, transaction currency, and converted group currency. Reporting becomes not only a visualization of data, but also a bridge between contract details, calculations, and accounting entries, thanks to multi-scenario analysis and intuitive dashboards designed for faster decision-making. The final step closes the cycle. Verified accounting data can move into the ERP system or into consolidation module as SAC4ONE for a complete integrated process, ready to be reused with no further elaboration required. The submission process allows local users to freeze data and central users to block it, with date evidence ensuring traceability and security. The work status report ties everything together, providing full visibility across the entire process. How? Tracking all process main steps. SAC for IFRS 16 is the certified dedicated module of the SAC4ONE Suite, built to give CFOs and finance teams full control over the lease accounting process, from contract creation to consolidation. Asset plan elaboration, real-time validation checks, automated journals entries, full IFRS 16 principal compliance. SAC4ONE by PwC, powered by SAP Analytics Cloud.